Measurement and marking of the room for electrical installation devices. Bedroom wiring according to Example 1. Plan from Example 1. Receptacle installation and distances. Receptacle outlets can be installed at preferred locations along the wall, but code requirements must be met. No more than 6 feet from any openings in the wall, doors, fireplaces, etc. The distance between the receptacles cannot be greater than 12 feet. Any wall space 2 feet or more in width. Receptacle cannot be located more than 5.5 foot above floor level. If the distances cannot be maintained on the walls, glass walls, railings, etc., receptacle must be installed in the floor no more than 18 inches from the wall. Not apply for this room. Marking the location of the receptacle outlets. Measure the room and pre-mark the location of the receptacle outlets, according to the previously described rules. If necessary, adjust the distance of the receptacle outlets, install more outlets, but do not increase the distances described in the codebook. Measure the distance from the floor and mark the bottom of the box on the previously pre-marked stud for placing the receptacle outlet box. 14 inches is the most common distance from the floor to the bottom of the receptacle outlet box. 14 inches from the floor to the bottom of the receptacle outlet box. Repeat marking for other receptacle outlets boxes. The location of the receptacle outlet is already pre-marked. Marking the location of the switch. Pre-mark the location of the switch outlet. Measure the distance from the floor and mark the bottom of the box on the previously pre-marked stud for placing the switch outlet box. 44 inches is the most common distance from the floor to the bottom of the switch outlet box. 44 inches from the floor to the bottom of the switch outlet box. Marking the location of the light outlet. Measure the room. Mark the center of the room for the surface mount luminaire, light fixture, on the ceiling. Marking the location of the smoke detector and carbon monoxide, smoke detector. HVAC air supply vents. Ceiling suspended paddle fan. Smoke detector. Carbon monoxide, smoke detector. Requirements for installing a smoke detector and a carbon monoxide, smoke detector on the ceiling. The smoke detector in the bedroom shall be installed in the center line of the door, no closer than 12 inches and no more than 60 inches from the door, at least 4 inches from the wall, at least 3 feet from the air supply register, minimum 3 feet from the nearest point of the fan blades. Carbon monoxide, smoke detector. A carbon monoxide, smoke detector must be installed within 10 feet of the sleeping area. All other installation requirements are the same as for the smoke detector. Marking the location of the smoke detector and carbon monoxide, smoke detector on the ceiling. Mark the location of the smoke detector in the room and the carbon monoxide, smoke detector outside the room.